If you wish to have new quick settings or new control center on Google Pixel 11, to actually be able to get a new quick settings panel, you just have to use the Play Store. So we need to download a third-party app that allows us to get a new style for quick settings or new theme. So we can use the search option over here at the bottom and the search field at the top, and you can search for something like quick settings or control center. So let's see if we can find something, and most likely you can find many different apps. As you can see here, there's lots of different apps that we can of course try out. You can get them one by one to see which one you like the most. And let's say I want to get this app over here, and let's say I like the appearance of the control center, how it looks like on the screenshots. So let's give it a try. And let's open the app once it is ready. Of course, we will have to set it up, which usually is very simple and intuitive. And these apps usually guide you on what you need to do in order to be able to get the control center. Now, what you saw over there was actually an ad. So, of course, if you open the app for the first time, most likely you can see an ad, but we can skip through that. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions for the app to be able to use it. In my case, I'm going to choose the English language, and let's tap on this check. There we go. We have some information, of course. So let's go through all of these different things. There we go. There is also the premium offer, which we should be able to close by using this X in the upper left corner. There's also some sort of free trial, which I'm gonna not use. I don't need it. Now over here, we have to enable the control center. We need to grant accessibility permissions. So let's tap on allow. All right, let's go next. And here we're gonna choose the control center and let's turn it on over here. All right. Now we should be able to hold and drag from this side over here that is currently highlighted to open the control center, and there we go. This is how it looks like now. I'm pretty sure, there we go, there are more permissions that we can provide. So let's grant all of these different permissions. There we go. And of course, you should also be able to open the app itself to find some more options. So here we should be able to, for example, go to themes, and here we can find some additional themes that you can probably even create by yourself, or you can purchase some of them. And I'm pretty sure you should be able to customize it and adjust it to your own needs. Let's actually close this. And unfortunately, I have another ad. There we go. As you can see, there are a couple of different themes that we can choose. So you can just pick your favorite one, and maybe you will be satisfied with one of them. But that's all we have to do. We should be able to also grant the permission to modify system settings if you didn't do that yet. So if you try to change anything, most likely you can use a certain feature for the first time to then be able to adjust it. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.